Rubber balloons.
Funny little thing.
Whoa, look at all those bubbles.
Does he think he's blowing them?
When I was younger and I used to hang out in the club,
What happened?
there was this big fat drag queen named Bubbles.
Okay, that just went on the video. What do you got? Oh my God. Could you make fun of your faces, you little monkey?
Video or still?
It's a video.
Oh, wow.
Mother, did you see the picture of you and Daddy?
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that adorable?
Yes,
What'd you do? You printed it?
lovely picture.
Where are those bubbles? Ah! Where's your bubbles?